In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the PHP version on your WP Engine, helping you manage your WordPress site's performance, compatibility, and security more effectively. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your memory, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to log into your WP Engine user portal. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WP Engine website. You'll see the login button on the top right-hand corner. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Enter your username and password, then click Submit to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it via email. Logging in is the first step, ensuring you have the necessary permissions to make changes. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your user dashboard. Here, you'll want to select the website environment that you're planning to update. You'll notice a list of environments, especially if you manage multiple sites. Simply click on the environment or site name that you want to work with. This step is crucial because each environment may have unique settings and requirements. With your website environment selected, the next step is to navigate to the Utilities tab within the left side menu. This menu is the main control panel for managing different components of your WordPress setup on WP Engine. Clicking on Utilities will take you to a new page with a host of advanced settings. It is a treasure trove for site management, offering you various tools to better control your site's functionalities. Scroll down on this page until you reach the section labeled PHP version. This is where you can inspect the current PHP version your site is running. Modifying the PHP version is a significant change because it could affect how certain plugins or site features work, so it's essential to know why you're making this change, be it for performance improvements or to ensure compatibility with specific WordPress features. Within the PHP version section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available PHP versions. Here, you should choose your desired PHP version. If you're uncertain which version to choose, keep in mind that running a newer PHP version generally offers better performance and security. However, it's wise to double-check compatibility with your site's themes and plugins to avoid potential issues. Once you've selected your preferred PHP version, the final step is to click on Change PHP Version. A confirmation dialog will appear. Review the information, and if everything looks good, proceed by confirming the change. WP Engine will handle the rest, updating your environment's PHP version. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on changing the PHP version for your site hosted on WP Engine. By keeping your PHP version up to date, you're ensuring your site runs smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.